Hello everyone, this is Christy. Today we're going to make a DIY project. And the first thing that I'm going to show you is this woodwork glue from Dollar Tree. And I tested this glue and these popsicle sticks before I use it for my project to see how well it bonds. Okay, so this one I did it yesterday. So let's see how well it glues on this. Wow, see, it bonds pretty well. Can you see the trace of the glue? It was done very good. Okay, so I recommend you to use this glue and let it dry for at least 2 hours before you put your stuff on it. Okay, and for this project I'm going to use 2 of these arrows. There are signs from Dollar Tree. Okay, and I'm going to use 3 trays. And the first thing that we're going to do is to take this out of here. Okay, you just need to pull the rope and use a staple remover to take the staples, and don't forget to remove the label as well. Now we are going to put the tray next to the arrow. We are going to make a mark and then add some glue and spread evenly. And then we are going to attach to the arrow. Make sure the back of the tray and the side of the arrow are even. Okay, and then you are going to put a clamp to secure the arrow with a tray while you're working on the other side. And on the other side, you're going to do the same thing. You put the arrow, make the mark, and then you're going to add the glue on the tray and then put the arrow and secure it again, okay, with another clamp. We are not going to use hot glue because hot glue is thick and will make gaps on your project. We are just going to use the wood glue, okay? And double check, okay, with the base and the arrows that they had to be straight, okay? And then put a clamp on it so it doesn't move. And now we are going to attach another tray on the very top, okay? You will just attach that matching the edge of the arrow. Okay, and the front of the tray had to match the corner. Okay, you just mark the sides and then put the glue, and you had to spread evenly on both sides. And I like this glue because it doesn't dry immediately, and you have time to adjust the pieces and make it at the level. And yeah, I love that. Okay, so here I'm just putting the tray next to the arrow. Make sure the corner of the arrow and the front of the tray match, and then on the other side, and then you add some clamps to secure it. Okay, so now we have the base and the top. We are going to add another tray in the center, and for that you have to measure where you want it and then make marks so you can glue, okay, the second tray, and you don't have to measure again. So before you add the glue, you are going to see where you want it, what things you are going to put in there. And I just put it tilted a little bit, okay? So it's not like the top and not as straight as like the bottom. Once you have the glue spread, okay, on the tray, you are going to attach to the project, and then you are going to make sure that the tray is by the marks you put in there so you have the desired measurements. After that, you can still move the tray and adjust to the level that you want it. Okay, for example, I wanted to put this spools of ribbon and then I'm trying to adjust it. And then you have to press very well. You can take the clamps and put some books, heavy books on top and wait for 2 hours. And this is how it's going to look at the end. Okay, now I'm going to cover those holes on the sides and I will use some cereal boxes. I just cut the size, okay, by measuring it, and then I use tacky glue so it can glue very well on the paper. And then I added to the side. As you can see, I added those pieces. Make sure you press very well, and this is going to be ready for painting. And the paint will cover very well the chipboard, so don't worry about it, okay? And this is how it's going to look. Can you see? I love it. And I use this acrylic paint from Walmart. They are like 50 cents each. And I also use like less than half, okay, from this wood work glue. So this is from Dollar Tree, $1. So this project is like about $6.50 if you buy everything new. This organizer is wonderful if you want to display some of your laces or ribbon, and you can put anything else to have it handy and decorate your craft room. If you like this DIY, please like this video, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching my videos, for your likes, your comments, and for subscribing to my channel. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye-bye.